So one of the most important parts of your affiliate marketing funnel or your affiliate marketing campaigns is the actual squeeze page or your opt-in page. Now, your squeeze page can actually directly affect how much money that you actually earn with your affiliate marketing campaigns. So this is extremely important. So in this video today, I'm actually going to be pulling back the covers and I'm going to be actually showing you guys one of my squeeze pages. I'm going to show you what it looks like, why it's converting. I'm actually going to be showing you the actual data, the numbers to prove to you that this squeeze page is converting at over 50%. And then I'm actually going to be showing you how you can actually tap into this same squeeze page if you want to emulate it for yourself. We're starting right now. All right, guys, so let's going to jump right into this video because we have a few things we want to cover pretty quickly here. And the first thing I wanted to show before I actually show you the actual squeeze page that I've been using is the actual numbers so that I can prove to you guys that this page has been converting a little over 50%. So right now I'm in my lead pages account and I actually pulled up the statistics for this page that I've been running some traffic to. And you can actually see that I got 512 views, 462 of those were unique. And look at the conversions, guys, 235 conversions. So that converts out to be 50.87, so almost 51%. So that basically means, guys, that for every 100 people that land on my squeeze page, 50 of them will opt in. And I will show you guys how that will actually equivalent into dollars here in a second. But I wanted to actually show you guys that the page that I'm using is actually converting 50% of its visitors. That is extremely important. It's not the average for our industry. Our industry average is like 20, maybe 30%. And so if you're not getting 40% at least, but you really want to get up to 50%, you need to scrap that page. If it's like 20 or 30%, you need to scrap it and you need to start over because you are losing a lot of traffic. You're spending a lot more money than you need to actually get people to your actual sales page. And you're obviously missing out on affiliate commissions that you could be making if you were getting more eyeballs on the actual sales page. All right, so let's look a little deeper in terms of the actual dollars that you can make with your squeeze page if you're getting enough traffic to it. So let's look at this simple diagram here where I'm sending 200 visitors to my squeeze page. And then once they opt in from the squeeze page, of course, they're going to see my sales page. So let's look at this. Let me go ahead and use the pen here. You guys will have to forgive me for my terrible drawing skills, but I'm going to try anyway. So say my squeeze page is converting at, let's say, 20%. So let's do 20% here. And if my squeeze page is only converting at 20% and I'm sent 200 visitors, that means only 40 people are actually going to see my actual sales page. Now, if the sales page is converting at 1%, which most sales pages convert at 1 or 2%, but if this page is converting at 1%, that means only 0.4 sales are going to make. So that's 0 sales, right? So you're not going to make any sales more than likely if only 40 people are actually seeing this actual page. Now, on the other hand, if my page, which my page is converting at 50%, so let's do 50% down here. And so out of those 200 visitors, my page is converting at 50%. So that means 100 people are actually seeing my sales page, right? And if the page is converting at 1 or 2%, I'm then going to make 1 or 2 sales. So I hope that made sense, guys. In this scenario, right, if your page is only converting at 20%, right, then you're probably more than likely not going to make any sales whatsoever. So that's why you might be getting frustrated, especially if you're using solo ads to get traffic to your site and you're trying to make sales. Maybe you're sending the traffic, but your page isn't converting, right? You're not getting enough eyeballs on the actual sales page here, right? Because your page, your squeeze page, is converting less than 50%. But if you can get your page converting at 50%, you're going to get a lot of more eyeballs on your actual sales page, which can actually equivalent to a lot of dollars, right? I cannot draw the dollar sign, forgive me, on this crazy computer. So now I wanted to actually show you the actual squeeze page that I'm actually using right now in the campaigns to actually convert 50% of the visitors. And this is probably one of the higher converting squeeze pages that I'm using right now. I'm using about 5 different ones, and I'll talk a little bit about that later. But what I really wanted to show you guys is when you're running solo ad traffic specifically, you want to make sure that you have a very, very simple page that evokes curiosity on the actual page. So you can see here, I'm actually using lead pages for this actual squeeze page. And you can see that there's nothing fancy about this page whatsoever. It's just a headline and opt-in. Headline, first name, email, and get instant access. And where I'm evoking curiosity is I'm saying your automated cash machine is ready for activation. And if somebody lands on this, they're like, your automated cash machine, like what is the cash machine? What is this guy talking about? Let me just opt in to kind of see what this cash machine is. So again, it's simple, it evokes curiosity, and it results in a 50% opt-in rate. Now, if you guys have lead pages, you can definitely hit me up and I can give you a share code for this actual squeeze page so you can have it for yourself if you have lead pages. If you don't have lead pages, you can actually go over to leadpages.com. I'll have a link in the description. And so what you can actually do is click the link in the description and just go over here to lead pages. And what you want to do is you want to click on pricing here. And you can actually see that lead pages is probably one of the most affordable landing pages softwares out there. And it's very simple to use, and that's why I like to use it. It also gives you a 14-day free trial period, right? So it's a 14-day free trial period. And what you want to do is you want to toggle onto the monthly plans because it automatically gives you the yearly prices. And for the monthly plans, you just need the standard plan here, which is $49 a month. This is very affordable in our industry in terms of a easy to use a squeeze page builder for $49 a month. And like I said, guys, this is basically all you need is this standard package, and I can actually share that page with you. Now, if you're saying to yourself, okay, John, it's great that you have a squeeze page that, converts at 50%. It's great that you're going to share this lead capture page with us, but I'm not techie. I don't want to set this thing up myself. How can I get this stuff set up for me? And I'm glad that maybe some of you guys are thinking that, because I'm not a techie person myself, and I actually had all of this stuff set up for me, as well as some email follow-ups. And I want to show you guys how you can actually get this squeeze page plus another 4 pages and everything kind of set up for you. So I'm going to jump over to this program that I actually personally invested in that was able to give me everything set up, so I didn't really have to do anything but just run traffic to it. And the program that I'm talking about is this course called Passive Income Profits. It's called Passive Income Profits, and it's a complete email marketing course. There's actually 3 different membership levels, but the one membership level that you need to worry about is just the Beginners Club course. And that course only costs $7 one time. And it actually gives you the actual email marketing training that you'll actually need if you want to be successful at email marketing. This course here is actually excellent. The course itself comes with over 100 videos with email marketing, social media, paid ads training, course creation. So it has a ton of value just for $7 one time. But what you really want to look at is this email marketing training, and it shows you how to set up your squeeze pages and integrate it with your autoresponder and get everything set up so that you guys can actually start running traffic to it. Now, what you can do if you want to just kind of bypass setting it up yourself is you can go down here and you could see where it says enroll now under the Beginners Club. And it'll come up with this page here, and it's going to give you information to put in, your credit card information. But they're running a special where you can actually get this for a $97 one-time fee which is setting up your whole done for you email marketing system. And that comes with the 5 squeeze pages that I was talking about. So it comes with 5 squeeze pages that these pages are already converting. And that's why I bought into this kind of membership and coaching program, because it comes with the pages. They're already converting. I showed you guys the statistics of my pages. It comes with also 45 days of email automation. So basically 45 days worth of emails selling a product, right? And they're going to be like low ticket products, so that when you're sending solo ad traffic, you can recoup some of your investment back by selling these low ticket products. And it comes with the complete integration. So it integrates the opt-in dojo, which is a third-party software that tracks all your clicks. It can track your sales. It can track the solo ad vendors, so you'll know like who's sending you the best sales. It can track your emails. It can show you what emails got you the sales. It tracks everything. It also has the integration with GetResponse, so you can use Aweber if you have Aweber, and lead pages. So all of this stuff, you get the 5 pages, the high converting pages, you get the 45 days worth of email campaigns, you get the whole integration, everything set up for you. Literally, you do nothing but let them do it for you for the $7 one-time fee, which gives you the email marketing course, which I recommend you guys go through that course. It's amazing. It's phenomenal. But then you go ahead and get this one-time, this $97 one-time offer, and get everything done for you, so that all you have to do is start to run your traffic, right? So basically for $104, you get everything that you need, and you can start running your traffic, and you can see a lot more people to your sales pages, and you can start making a lot more money. So I hope that made sense, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can leave it in the comment section. I also have my email down there in the description if you need any further information about what I've talked about in this video. If there's something that you don't understand, if there's something you need more clarification on, just email me, or you can leave it in the comment section. I hope this helped. Make sure you guys get a squeeze page. If you don't learn anything else from this video, get a squeeze page that is converting at 50%. You will thank me later. So this is John from johnmcneil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Peace.